Riu hatiri undu tangaja andu aria maikarite kuria makurirwo maitho ni ugwati wa muiyuro kana matuika matiri kumana na mbura ya muniko iria irathie na mbere guku bururi-ini ni nginyagia mathame. President William Ruto nuoheanite riathani riri ndumiriri-ini yake kuri bururi umuthi akiuga ati thirikari ndikwirorera ringi andu magikua kumana na miiyuro na matuika, na uga ati ni ihinda notithi cia guthama iria Kenya makoretwo makiheo kundu gutiganite cianjiririe kurutithio wira na thirikari.
There is a whole of government process underway in different parts, especially in the fragile areas that we believe are dangerous and we need to evacuate citizens.
Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini niyo yathitwo gutwarithia na mbere mihang'o ino na kaunti ya Nairobi ni kuwa andu makwambiriria guthamio amu president ni athanite mihang'o yanjiririo hwaini uyu ona gutuika ni augite no nginyagia mihang'o iyo etafanio na njira ya omundu.
In Nairobi, settlements in riparian reserves have complicated the response efforts and compounded and aggravated the risk to human life, safety, and property destruction. The Ministry of Interior is hereby directed to enforce the relocation notices issued earlier upon their expiry at 6:30 p.m. today.
Gukinyiria riu demu citanyihire 178 thiini wa kaunti 33 ni cireketie gukiria githimi kia mai, na president augite ati aria mari gukuhe na kuria demu icio cire maikarire bomu iratara mahinda, na uguo kamiti cia ugitiri thiini wa kaunti ciothe cigathwo guthurimo na demu iria citaihurite na ugwati uria cingikorwo naguo kungikinya mbura ino no ithie na mbere na kuongerereka.
The public is called upon to respect and adhere to safety alerts and interventions and to cease and desist from risking their lives or the lives of others by daring the force of nature.
Ihinda-ini ria thiku 10 thiru ndudu ya minister ni tafanĩtie cikaro ithatu kugeria kwarĩrĩria njĩra cia kũng'ethanĩra na ugwati uria umanite na mbura ĩno, na president augite ati ministry ya kigina ni kurekereria kigina gia guteithĩrĩria kugura irio na dawa kuri aria mahutĩtio.
The treasury has been directed to provide adequate resources and work with other development partners to provide for the purchase and supply of food, medical and other non-food items.
Na guku thirikari igithie na mbere na gwetha njira cia bururi gwitiria moruru ma muiyuro itura-ini ria Kaba kaunti-ini ya Machakos, andu 8 hamwe na wari ni mutumia wohete nda mahonokire gikuo ciarera thutha wa rũĩ rwa Athi gutua na mai kwaraha itura-ini riu na mahonokirio na njira ya gukuo na ndege.
Kwa tumefungiwa na mvua maji hapo wiki mbili, tukazuiliwa tukawa hatuwezi toka.
Akiangaliwa wengine ni dehydrated, wengine walikuwa wanakunywa maji chafu. Kwa hivyo tumesema waangaliliwe vizuri.
Watu wanaendelea na matibabu, on medical check up.
Hadwine Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.